Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, choose power off, and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as ALCATEL Pop S3 logo pops up. This is the Android system recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's choose the desired language. In my case it could be English, so let me choose English, press power key to confirm it, and this is the main menu of the Android system recovery menu. Here you can navigate in the same way, so let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is wiping the cache, formatting all cache files, and as soon as the Android system recovery pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now, and the phone is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, now you can unlock your screen and start using your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.